Hey Atlanta, this is Nikki Pitts, your Atlanta real estate bestie with step 3 of how to buy a house. I'll bet you have been on top of it and you've already completed step 1, which was establishing your budget before you contact your lender. Step 2, I'm sure you've gone ahead and scheduled your buyer strategy consultation so you know everything to expect from now to the end and till closing till you get those keys. Step 3, in the process of getting there before you contact your lender, go ahead and gather all of your documents. So these are the documents you're going to need before you apply for your loan. You're going to need to go ahead and get a few copies of your paycheck stubs, your pay stubs, so typically from the last 30 days, and your lender will use that to confirm your current income and ensure that you can afford your mortgage payments. You're going to need to get the last 2 years of your tax returns. You need to go ahead and get gather your bank statements for the last couple of months. If you are self-employed, along with those things, you'll want to go ahead and also make sure you've got your profit and loss statement available, as well as 1099 forms if that applies to you. It's also a great idea just ahead of time to know what your credit looks like. So, you can usually get a free credit report. I think it's every year, maybe every 2 years. I don't remember, but you can usually get a free credit report and just have a good idea of what's on your credit before you contact them. They use a different system as far as your credit score. So what you see on things like Credit Karma might be quite different from what your mortgage lender will see when they pull your report. They use a different score or scoring system or something like that. So, but just have a good idea, have an idea of what it is, and it's just always good to know so that you're not surprised with anything that shows up on your credit report when they pull it. Also, I want to go ahead and tell you in regards to credit scores, a lot of folks are concerned about inquiries making a dent in their credit score. Hopefully your agent went over this in your buyer strategy session. I usually do when we talk about finances and lenders. It's okay to compare lenders and make sure you're getting the best rates, not just the best interest rates, but the best fees, like lender fees. They vary from lender to lender, just like any other service or company. So you want to make sure that you're comparing that. Don't worry so much about the inquiries making an impact on your credit score, because credit bureaus understand you're probably shopping around for the best lender. It's not going to hit you so hard as long as you do it within a 30-day, 14 to 30-day time frame. It's okay to reach out to at least 2 or 3 lenders and make sure you're getting the very best rate. So step 3, gather your documents, paycheck stubs, bank statements, tax returns, and just get a heads up on what your credit report is going in. And that's it. That's step 3 of how to buy a house. Thanks for listening. Talk to you later. Bye.